This is two identical board of hoverboard motherboard. The problem is one is working and one is not working. So how I solve the problem, how I diagnosed, where is the problem, what happened. Both are this one STM32 microcontrollers and two hoverboard motors are connected. But what happened, one while running suddenly some sound came and something burst or burned, but I have to find out. I try to check anything microcontroller short circuit anything, but I didn't get anything here. Then I think maybe short circuit while connecting the pins for firmware or flashing, but nothing is there. Both is okay, no short circuit here. Then I check these cables. Maybe I can find out maybe some short circuit, but these cables was also okay. Here no short circuit. Then MOSFET backside. For that checking, I need to remove this one. Then I can find out any MOSFET. But for that, I have to open. This one is with the GD32F103RCT6, and other one is STM32F103RCT6. Both are similars, but one with the STM32, one with the GD32. Then what happened, while checking, I found out something is diode, maybe possible, but no diode here, which is burn or damage. And finally I found here, I start checking the capacitors. Then all capacitors are okay. This board is working, no problem. But when I check this motherboard, I found this capacitor. You can see shape is changed, and it is, I think, something burn or blast. Size is changed, so I have to check this one. uh, then I can find out for the next step actually what happened. Then I come to know, I was using this one, and while using this one I use the same power supply for this one, but there is some little difference. One is having high power, means this one is working with 42 volts, and I use the same adapter, power adapter, for this one. Then I found this one is working voltage maximum 36 volts. That's why I think this problem happened. Now I will check this one capacitor, replace, then I will come to know it is working or not working. If someone is experience like this problem, please share. I am waiting because I have to make it work and find out the solution. Thank you very much.